Welcome back to my channel. So we're doing some analysis on DXY and JPY basket to enable me take a trade. Oh, I missed the setup. It's not right time to take a trade. For enable take a trade on either my two pairs, GBPUSD and GBPJPY. Now starting with our DXY from here, right? I always shrink the chart first, look at the chart in a bigger picture. I have a break of structure here, buy side liquidity from this low to this high, which is the main structure. From this low to this high, I have here as a failed swing. Here is our mitigation block. And what do I have here also? Price is coming from what? A volume imbalance around here. Can you see that, right? A volume imbalance. So at the moment, if I look at this upper side now, internal range liquidity, volume imbalance, external came again. Da, da. And what do I have here? I'll delete this Fibonacci. I'll be very fast, please, because of time. And what do I have here? I have an external range liquidity taken out here. Also a structure here as our sell side liquidity, right? Fibonacci from this structure being created here because normally we were expecting price to do this and go up, right? But now we got the opposite. So price has done this in front of us and taking our external, so external to internal, right? Before it goes down again. So I have here my fair value gap that I want price to tap into. Next question now is, where is price currently? I know where price is at the moment. I know where price is coming from and where price is going to. Now next question is, where is price currently at the moment? I'm on a discount level and price has cleared this high with a body, signaling to me that the current moment price is bullish scenario. That's one. So at the current moment, price is bullish on the monthly time frame. Now the daily and the monthly should align with each other, right? But now going to my weekly structure, go back to my weekly structure. I have a break of structure here, a shift of market structure here as our weekly shift of market structure. And what do I have here again? This is not a swing point. The last swing point was created and that swing point created here also. But there was a fair value gap that price reacted inside here, which price reacted in this fair value gap. But looking at it very well, I'm watching my 1 day time frame. On my 1 day structure, what do I have left? Looking at this 1 day structure, our last break of structure or shift of market structure was here. And this is from one week. And this is what? 1 day buy side liquidity, right? Now, from this low to this high, we can see that price is at what? Discount level. And there was an order block, I'll say a failed swing point. But there's a swing point here, I'll say a failed swing point up here. But an order block is here also. Now, looking at this whole scenario now, right? The worrisome part is that this is a whole range. This is a range. There's neither a break or structure around here. This is a full range. It didn't come out with a body, just a wick, nothing. This is the last structure here, which is a failed swing point. There was a high low here, here. If you follow this structure very well, you just see this, right? No, looking at this is just a range. But on 50%, we have what? An order block. Also, we have what? A mitigation block, or like call it a mitigation block, a failed swing structure, which price has not really tapped into. Let's see, there was not any tapping into this mitigation block, right? So let's see, price might still keep dipping to this level, but this is a full range. On a daily structure, this is a range. There's no direction yet. So this pair, I don't know. I would say we just keep selling. Sorry. I'll just keep selling. And I'll take this as another block. I'll just keep selling because that's the range. Maybe price is trying to keep going down to touch this, creating this as liquidity. and this is another block from the 1 hour structure, because that is the range. And maybe price wants to keep going down to this area here, this zone here, as our mitigation block from 1 day time frame. But let's see how it goes. If that's going to sell, that means on GBPUSD you're going to be looking for buys. So I'm going to label that. I'm going to type it now so I don't forget what I said here. So on the daily, which is a range, price might sell to the PD array zone, I don't know yet. I'm just guessing because there's no PD array or no PD zone that was being tapped here. This is the mitigation block. This is an order block, right? We had two zones here, but nothing. And if I want to stretch it out, whether this is a volume imbalance, there's no volume imbalance around here except this fair value gap here, which I believe price reacted to this fair value gap. And that's all. But let's see how it goes. Let's see. There's no reaction. Even for the 4 hours time frame, there is still nothing. So price might sell down here to clear out this liquidity below here, because there's an equal low here, liquidity below here. I can't take this trade because it's not in either London or New York session, so it's not for me. Now, I'm trying to be very fast. I'm so sorry. Now, looking at this monthly structure on JPYBASKET. For GBPJPY, I'm looking for more of buys. If that there goes down, then GBPY is going to buy tomorrow. Tendency. There is what? A low, a sweep of liquidity here. Old lows here. And what do I have here? From this high to this low, I believe their price is at the discount level. Now, the three questions I asked myself, I was told to ask myself is, where is price coming from? Where is price going to? And where is price at the current moment? Where is price coming? Where is price now? At external range liquidity. Where is price going to? Internal range liquidity. 1 MN Where is price currently? Price is still bearish. And also don't forget, because of this low was being cleared, don't forget that 1 day aligns with the monthly time frame, right? Now, for the weekly time frame structure, what do I have here? I have another block. Don't forget, this weekly is more of order block and fair value gap. We are following the daily, aligning with the monthly time frame. And what do I have here? I have my what? I have my weekly structure, 1WOB. Okay. Now, until there's a change of character on 1 day, shall I go with the direction of 1 month? But looking at this here, price reacted around this area, right? This is what a break of structure on 1 day. And from this high to this low, this is an implied fair value. I call it an implied fair value gap. No. But price just tapped on 61% without no PD array. So there's high tendency that price might still go up before it can clear this low. But if price there breaks this high above here, this particular one, if price there clears this high, that means price wants to go in the direction of what the monthly structure is telling us. But if not, then price wants to go keep on selling and selling to clear this low below. And if that sell there happens, which there is what? We have two confirmation. We have the minor structure shift of market structure on what? On 1 hour time frame. And we also have another shift of structure again from this area here. You see, so we're having two shift of structure. But like I said, we only enter trade during London/New York New York, New York session, those two times. So we wait till 2 a.m. New York session, yeah, to enter a trade. And if I'm expecting this to sell down, if this dare sells down, which it might sell down, but if not, if it dare breaks this high, structure has changed. If it dare do not break this high but sells down like this, right? If the price does this, let me just write it down. Change structure on daily. So there are two things I'm looking at. And if this happens, if this there sells, that means if price there sells, you see can see that, right? That means there's a shift of market structure here, and I'm going to enter a buy. During that time, my buy is going to be here with my stop loss around here. During the New York Social here as my TP, here as my take profit, or here as my take profit. Why am I taking that upper side as my take profit? Because it has equal highs around here. So you have to take profit that makes sense, or even three equal highs. You can see it, right? Three touches, 1, 2, 3. Price might clear that liquidity. I don't know. But let's see how it plays out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Ask your questions. We keep learning and keep studying and keep learning and learning and learning. And you do have a great week, trading week. Thank you.